intelligence, where forests work as a unified system rather than as individual entities. 2. The Earth's core hums with a constant, mysterious song. Known as the Earth's hum, this low-frequency vibration was discovered only in recent decades and remains largely unexplained by scientists. It's as if our planet itself has a heartbeat, a constant, subtle reminder that Earth is alive and resonant. Some believe this hum is an indicator of the planet's own consciousness, linking us all to the deeper rhythms of Gaia. 3. Dolphins can recognize themselves in mirrors, hinting at a consciousness similar to humans. Dolphins not only show self-awareness, but also empathy, social cooperation, and playfulness, all hallmarks of advanced consciousness. This suggests that consciousness may not be unique to humans, but is a shared quality among intelligent beings on Earth.